Hi, this is handcrafted Mandala wall clock featuring intricate patterns in vibrant shades, accented with metallic gold Roman numerals. Nowadays, there are different types of clock available in the market. This clock is an ideal timepiece to enhance the look of a space on a home or office wall. This is perfect for home decor and gifting. You can use this as return gifts to any occasions. By placing a mandala on a clock, the piece symbolizes the harmony of the time and the idea of living in the moment while life moves around it. This is completely sealed with varnish for shine and protection. We can also use UV resin to give more glossy look and shine. It took hours to paint, but it will keep time for years. Can be customized, bulk orders also accepted. DM for details. Stay tuned for next video.